Google's new agent story is not that your inbox gets a smarter autocomplete. The real story is that the assistant is moving from writing suggestions to holding the pen over actions. Draft the email, watch the inbox, prepare the next step, and eventually touch money. That sounds convenient until you picture the practical failure mode. A personal agent is not a chatbot you close after one answer. It can sit inside the places where you make commitments: email, calendar, shopping, travel, files, and payments. One unclear instruction can turn into the wrong message sent to the wrong person, the wrong trip held, or a purchase path you did not mean to approve. So the underdog move is not to swear off agents, it is to build a permission escrow desk. Think of a green visor clerk sitting between your agent and the outside world. The clerk does not ask, "Is the model smart?" The clerk asks three boring questions before any action leaves your account. First, what is the intent? The agent has to state the user goal in plain language, not just produce a tool call. Find 3 flights under $500 is different from book a flight. Draft a reply is different from send the reply. If the intent is fuzzy, the action stays in draft. Second, what is the spending or commitment limit? Every personal agent needs a hard envelope. Maybe it can summarize any email, draft messages freely, hold a reservation for 24 hours, and spend $0 without confirmation. Maybe for groceries, it can reorder approved items under a weekly cap. The point is that trust is not a mood. Trust is a budget, a time window, and a list of allowed places. Third, what receipt does the human get before and after the action? Before action, the agent shows the exact change it is about to make: the recipient, amount, date, cancellation terms, and source information. After action, it leaves an audit receipt in a place you can search later. If you cannot reconstruct what happened, you did not delegate, you just guessed. This is why Google's personal agent push matters for regular users and small teams. The winners will not be the people who let an agent roam everywhere on day one. The winners will be the people who turn automation into a narrow counter service. One counter for inbox triage, one counter for travel holds, one counter for routine purchases. Each counter has a label, a limit, and a receipt drawer. Product teams should copy the same pattern. Do not ship a giant do everything button. Ship visible handoff points. Show when the agent is reading, when it is drafting, when it is asking for permission, and when it is executing. Make the confirmation screen boring enough that a tired person can catch a mistake in 2 seconds. The identity shift is simple. Stop being the person who hopes the agent behaves. Become the person who installs the permission desk before the agent gets keys.